We're Team Just Read the Instructions. I'm Kathryn.
I'm Shawn.
I'm Jimmy, and our proposed system is RecReserve.
The currently available systems at Cal Poly's new Rec Center do not make it easy to check the availability of and make reservations for equipment, facilities, and classes. Our proposed system will fill these gaps that the current system leaves.
RecReserve will be implemented as a cloud-based equipment and facility management system that integrates existing and new hardware, along with a website front end to provide patrons with a convenient means of control over their workouts and to make sure their contact with the rec center is more efficient.
Our context-level data flow diagram shows how rec center patrons and employees will interact with the RecReserve system. Our Level 0 DFD goes more in depth about how RecReserve will function. Starting with the red process, rec center patrons sign up for RecReserve and their information is stored in a database.
To check availability of equipment and facilities, we follow the yellow process. This process can be started explicitly by a patron, but this process is also automatically carried out at predetermined intervals to display on screens at the rec center to show patrons currently in the rec center the availability of equipment and facilities. This automatic process, is in light green.
To make a reservation, the darker green process is followed, with patrons making a request and getting a confirmation as to the success of their request. To check into equipment or facilities, the light blue process is followed. After a patron checks in using their access code and their status as a patron is verified, the current use and reservation schedules tables are queried to check that the patron may start using the equipment.
However, the patron may not always come to every reservation, or may wish to cancel their reservations. This process of explicitly canceling is in dark blue, with the reservation schedule and current usage tables being updated. If a patron makes a reservation, but doesn't show up, after a certain waiting interval, the equipment will be marked as available, and relevant tables will be updated. This process starts in purple, but follows the dark blue path as well.
In addition to helping patrons by making the information about the use of equipment and facilities more available, RecReserve will also help rec center management and employees make better decisions about how to maintain current equipment and which kind of equipment needs replacing by generating reports based on usage of equipment and facilities. This process is outlined in orange.
The database aspect of RecReserve can be modeled with this entity relationship diagram. Each of the tables represents a specific entity we think is worth capturing information about.
RecReserve, our proposed system, will enable patrons to have more control over their workouts by providing them with a system to check availability of equipment, and more importantly, allowing them to make reservations to plan their workout ahead of time. Ultimately providing patrons the comfort that when they want to work out, equipment and facilities will be available for them. It will also help rec center employees more efficiently manage equipment and facilities by providing them with valuable information about the usage of equipment and facilities.
RecReserve, workout on your time.